In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up foreign language text recognition within Smart Notebook. Smart Notebook by default recognizes whatever the default language was during installation, in our case English, but you can set it up so that the text recognition capability can also recognize other languages other than English. It's a fairly simple process to do. To start with, I'm going to simply write a foreign phrase onto the screen real fast. So let me select my pen and let me really quickly. Alright, so I've written a foreign phrase on here. If I select it and I come in here and say recognize text, well, recognize text is not showing what's actually written on the screen. That's because it's not in the right language. So if I go down to change recognition language and then click on add more, it's going to pop up a little setup box, language setup. All I need to do is simply come down and change the handwriting recognition and the spell check recognition. So in this case, I happen to have written in French, so I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to find the French, and again I'm going to do the same thing and find French and click OK. It will take a few minutes to download and install because it does have to go to the internet, download this package, and install it. So we will let this install. Once the installation is complete, simply click on Finish, and you're all set. Now when I come in here and I want to change the recognition language, the first thing I have to make note of is I do have to restart Smart Notebook. So I'm going to close Smart Notebook, and then I'm going to reopen Smart Notebook. Alright, now that I've reopened Smart Notebook, I'm going to open up the file that we were just working on. And let me find that slide we were working on. Alright, so now my text, when I come in here and I say change recognition language, you can see I've got French as an option. And sure enough, recognize ça va. When I click on to recognize, it converts it to text.